Green peas over here.
In the center of the city, situated off a well-traveled street, curiosity is growing.
Can I try one?
Yes, you can.
Okay.
It's harvest time at the Coronado Elementary School garden.
Here it is. Oh, that's big.
Coronado's a dual-language school with a goal of biliteracy.
Antonio y Ariana, green beans, please.
But it's not just desks and books.
Dang, these are big.
These students get to experience their lessons.
Oh, this one's perfect.
Academic areas like life cycles of plants and different parts of plants and that kind of thing.
It's just very fun. You get to do a lot of stuff.
With the help of the Albuquerque area master gardeners,
Okay, y'all, do you see these weeds right here?
this garden is too good to resist.
It's kind of sweet.
The kids are so amazing because if they pick it, they will eat it.
The kids that will not eat produce in the cafeteria will come over here, and if they can pick it off the plant themselves and pop it in their mouth, they love to do that.
These green beans are actually really fresh.
And the kids don't seem to mind the work that goes into it
It's fun to get dirty.
because they're picking with a purpose.
You get to help people.
Coronado is a community service school, and so a huge part of our education is how we can help our community.
The Student Council decided to donate all this year's crop to Encuentro across the street from the school.
You got it?
Yeah.
Food will go to families in need who recently have come to New Mexico.
Mira, muchas gracias. It's really moving that it comes from children working and learning.
But also enjoying
The mint bombs, they smell super good.
right here in the middle of the city.
Now that they've donated to a local organization, for them to continue to do that, I think is something that we had never envisioned before, but has turned into a beautiful thing.